On December 23, 2002, the first known air-to-air battle between a manned fighter plane and an unmanned aerial drone took place in the sky above Iraq, when an Iraqi MiG-25 fighter jet shot down an American General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. Far from the manned fighter merely taking out the drone, the high-technology dogfight was a real air-to-air combat, with the drone armed with and firing an air-to-air missile at the Iraqi fighter. Luckily for the Iraqi pilot, the drone's Stinger missile was allegedly confused by the heat signature of the Iraqi air-to-air missile and missed the jet, while the MiG scored a fatal hit on the Predator drone. After much fanfare in the 1980s regarding the integration of drones of all sizes into the U.S. military arsenal, often for battlefield reconnaissance by ground units, a large family of offensive, defensive, intelligence gathering, and electronic warfare drones have been fielded by the U.S. and many other nations. In fact, unmanned drones go back a long time, from the Kettering aerial torpedo, nicknamed the Bug in 1918, basically a propeller-powered cruise missile, and other even earlier attempts, to more development during World War II using radio controls to fly unmanned aerial vehicles and modified airplanes. Drones of all types have become a vital part of modern warfare, as evidenced in the Russia-Ukraine war being fought since 2022. As a question for my students and subscribers, are the days of manned combat aircraft over? Please let us know in the comments section for this video.